Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to new lesson with Shimul. Lovely viewers, improve spoken English skills ধারাবাহিক সিরিজে আমরা আপনাদেরকে স্পোকেন ইংলিশে কোশ্চেন টু আনসার আপনারা কিভাবে দক্ষ হবেন সে বিষয়টি ফিক্স করে যাচ্ছি ভিউয়ার্স। আজকের এই পর্বে ইন্টারন্যাশনাল ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ একাডেমির একজন স্টুডেন্ট ও আমার সঙ্গে আছে শুরু থেকে শেষ পর্যন্ত। আমি তাকে ইংরেজিতে কোশ্চেন করব, সে আনসার করবে। ভিউয়ার্স, যদি সে আনসার মিস্টেক করে আমি তাকে মিস্টেকগুলো ধরিয়ে দিব, তাহলে আপনারা এগুলো থেকে আপনারা অবশ্যই কীভাবে কোশ্চেন করতে হয়, কীভাবে আনসার করতে হয় আপনারা এগুলি ভালোভাবে শিখতে পারবেন। ভিউয়ার্স, আমি বিশ্বাস করি যে শুরু থেকে শেষ পর্যন্ত আপনারা আমার সঙ্গে থাকবেন। ভিউয়ার্স, তাছাড়া আজকে যে লেসনটি আমি আপনাদের প্র্যাকটিস করে যাচ্ছি সেটি হচ্ছে আমার লেখা অ্যান অ্যাডভাইজার অফ কমিউনিকেটিভ ইংলিশ গ্রামার অ্যান্ড ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ বই থেকে। ভিউয়ার্স, 676 পৃষ্ঠা এই বইটি আপনারা ফলো করতে পারেন। ভিউয়ার্স, তাছাড়া আপনারা যারা এখনও বইটি অর্ডার করেননি ভিউয়ার্স, আপনারা খুব দ্রুত বইটি অর্ডার করতে পারেন। ভিউয়ার্স, আরেকটি বিষয়, আপনারা যারা আজকে আমার চ্যানেল নতুন কিংবা যারা চ্যানেলটি এখনও তো সাবস্ক্রাইব করেননি, আপনারা নিচে সাবস্ক্রাইব বাটনে ক্লিক করে আপনারা চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে নেবেন। তাছাড়া পাশে যে বেল আইকনটা সেটা ক্লিক করে রাখবেন, যাতে আপনি ইউটিউব থেকে আমার পরবর্তী লেসন সম্পর্কে নোটিফিকেশন পান। Okay, tell me how are you today?
Well, I'm fine today.
Okay, may I know your full name?
Yes, my full name is Poonam Jahan.
Okay, by what name should I call you?
You should call me Poonam.
Okay, you should call me Poonam. You can say call me Poonam.
Okay, you should call me Poonam.
Okay, tell me where are you from?
I'm from South Morai.
Okay, Miss Speaker, tell me, are you a student?
Yes, I'm student.
Okay, in which college do you study?
I study at Bangla College.
Okay, so are you a student of class 12?
No, I'm student of BBA.
Yeah. Okay, tell me, what's your favorite hobby?
Well, my favorite hobby is playing football.
Football. Okay, do you play football?
No, because I have not enough time to play football.
Okay, tell me, what's your favorite subject?
Well, my favorite subject is accounting.
Accounting. Okay, isn't English your favorite subject?
Yes, it's my favorite subject too.
Fine. Okay, tell me, where do you learn English?
I learn English at International Language Teaching Academy.
Okay, tell me, when do you take your class at International Language Academy?
I take my class in International Language Teaching Academy at 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock? 8 o'clock in the morning?
In the morning.
Or you can say it, I take my class at International Language Academy at 8 a.m.
Yes.
Miss Speaker, tell me, how often do you take class at International Language Academy in a week?
In a week, I take my class 3 days in a week.
3 days in a week. Miss Speaker, tell me, do you read English newspaper?
Yes, I read English newspaper.
Okay, tell me, why do you read English newspaper?
Actually, I read English newspaper to develop my English skill.
Okay, to develop my English skills. Newspaper, not paper. Say with me, paper.
Okay, paper.
Newspaper.
Newspaper.
Okay, Miss Speaker, tell me, do you travel new places?
Yes, I like most travel new
I like
places.
to travel new places.
Yes.
Okay, why do you travel new places?
Because when I travel new places, that time I enjoy more and more, and I get new things, and I get use of knowledge from here. That's why.
Okay, you can say it. Traveling new places is a source. New place is a source of knowledge.
Yes.
For that be point of view, I try to travel new places.
Yes.
Okay, Miss Speaker, tell me, how do you spend your leisure time?
I spend my leisure time basically by chatting with my friends.
You can say it, I spend leisure time chatting with my friends,
Yes.
playing football and so on. Just time, not time. Say with me, time.
Time.
You have to pronounce each and every single words with correct pronunciation, because you are getting fluent. And moreover, you know, English is a very melodic language.
Yes.
In order to learn this language, obviously all the time you have to pronounce English correctly.
Yes, I know.
Okay, Miss Speaker, tell me, what's your father?
My father is a businessman.
Businessman. Okay, how many brothers sisters do you have?
I have 2 brothers and 3 sisters.
Okay, what's your younger brother?
My younger brother is a student.
Okay, tell me, what's his favorite hobby?
His favorite hobby is watching television.
Television. Okay, tell me, in which college does he read?
He reads in Brownberg College.
College. Okay, Miss Speaker, tell me, how far is Brownberg College from your home?
Bangla Government College is almost
You can say it, Bangla Government College is walking distance from my home,
Yes,
or
yes.
you can say it, Bangla Government College is 1 kilometer or 2 kilometers away from my home.
Yes.
Miss Speaker, tell me, what's your aim in life?
Oh, it's a good question. My aim in life is to be a famous graphics designer.
Famous, not famous. Say with me, famous.
Famous.
Obviously, whenever you will say it, because means famous, not
Yes.
famous.
Famous.
Miss Speaker, tell me, when do you usually get up from bed?
I usually get up from bed at 6 a.m.
6 a.m. Okay, tell me, do you say your prayer, morning prayer?
Yes. I say my morning prayer.
Miss Speaker, tell me, how many friends do you have?
I have almost 20 friends.
20 friends. Actually, you have a lot of friends. Okay.
Yes.
Among them, whom do you like most?
I like most my one friend. His name is Diva.
Diba. Okay. Do you chat with her every day?
No, I don't chat with her every day.
Okay. Do you try to spend your leisure time with her?
Yes, I try.
I try to spend my leisure time with her.
Yes.
Miss Speaker, tell me, is your mother a pilot?
No, my mother isn't a pilot.
Pilot,
Actually,
okay.
she is a housewife.
Housewife. Okay. Tell me, between father and mother, whom do you like most?
I like most both.
I like most both. Okay. Miss Speaker, tell me, do you have a younger sister?
Yes, I have one younger sister.
I have a younger sister.
I have a
Okay.
younger
What does she do?
She is a student.
Student. Okay. In which school does she read?
She reads at Tufal Azam Gov Girls High School.
Gov Primary School. Gov Primary School. Okay, Miss Speaker, tell me, what's the name of your own hometown?
The name of my own hometown is Brahmanbaria.
Brahmanbaria. Okay. Is it a small town?
No, it's not a small town.
Okay. Tell me, Miss Speaker, how many government, secondary schools are there in your hometown?
There are three secondary school secondary government school in our
There are 3 government secondary schools in my hometown.
Yes.
Okay, Miss Speaker, is there a children park in your hometown?
Yes, there is a one children park.
There is a
There is a one children.
No, there is a children park.
There is a children park.
Park, not park. Park in my hometown.
hometown.
Miss Speaker, tell me, how many upazilas are there in your district?
There are almost 9 upazilas in my districts.
Okay, tell me, in which upazila do you live?
I live in Brahmanbaria Sadar.
Okay, are you proud of being a resident of Brahmanbaria Sadar
Yes,
upazila?
obviously I am proud of being a resident of Brahmanbaria Sadar upazila.
Okay, Miss Speaker, tell me, what's the name of the Prime Minister of your country?
The name of the Prime Minister of my country is Sheikh Hasina. Country.
Okay, Miss Speaker, tell me, do you wanna spend your leisure time by speaking with your English-speaking friends?
Yes, I always try to spend my leisure time with my English-speaking friends.
Okay, Miss Speaker, tell me, do you listen to BBC?
Yes, I always listen to BBC.
Okay, can you tell me, why do you listen to BBC?
Actually, I listen to BBC to develop my listening skill.
Okay, is it mandatory for all to listen more and more?
Yes, it's obviously mandatory to all.
Mandatory for all.
To listen BBC more and more.
Okay, Miss Speaker, without listening more and more, is it possible to be a good speaker?
No, it's not possible to be a good speaker without listening
more and more. Okay, Miss Speaker, tell me, you are a student now, so whenever you'll be fluent speaker in English, that time, do you want to teach English to students?
Yes, I always try.
You can say, whenever I'll be a good speaker, that time I will teach English to students. Okay, Miss Speaker, tell me, while reading English newspaper, do you try to collect lots of words?
Yes, when I read English newspaper, that time I collect lots of English vocabulary from newspaper.
Okay, Miss Speaker, tell me, do you speak English with your friends sometimes?
Yes, I always try to speak English with my friends.
Okay, Miss Speaker, do you take exercise every morning?
Yes, I always take exercise every morning.
Okay, can you tell me the viewers why do you take exercise every morning?
Because exercise is good for health.
If you say
Keeps
taking
our-
exercise is good for health,
Yes.
moreover, in order to maintain sound health, obviously we should
Yes.
take exercise every day,
Yes,
every
yes.
morning. Miss Speaker, tell me, do you try to help the poor people?
Yes, I always try to help the poor people.
Okay, Miss Speaker, how many festivals are there in your country?
There are three types of festivals in
Festivals
our,
in-
festivals
in
our
my-
coun-
in my
country.
country.
That is
They are
religions festival and
traditional festival
traditional festival
and national festivals.
National festival, yes.
Okay, Miss Speaker, on national days, do you try to visit national monuments?
Yes, I visit national monuments
Why do you visit, national monuments on national days?
because
If you say it, I visit national monuments on national days to pay my tribute or to pay my honor towards the martyrs.
yes, yes.
Miss Speaker, is Bangladesh an independent country?
Yes, Bangladesh is an independent country.
Okay, tell me, was Bangladesh an independent country before 1971?
No, Bangladesh is on.
Wasn't.
Bangladesh wasn't an independent country.
Independent country
Before
before
1971.
71st, not 71, 71st.
Yes.
Okay, Miss Speaker, tell me, will you be a doctor in future?
No, I want to be a doctor in future.
Okay. So, Miss Speaker, will you be a political leader in future?
No, I won't be a political leader in future.
Political leader.
Political.
Okay. Okay, Miss Speaker, don't you like politics?
Yes, I like politics.
Okay, Miss Speaker, in 1971, the students of Bangladesh had glorious past in during the liberation war. So, being a student, undoubtedly you have lots of respect towards your country. For example, you can do politics for the welfare of the people of your country. So, can you tell me, there is the way the politics of this country is going on, is it satisfying according to?
Yes, I think it's satisfying for me.
Okay, without doing politics, is it possible to help the country?
No, without doing politics, it's not
It's not
possible to
help the country.